So this looks a little bit different from the YouTube videos that gives instructions how to do it, but it's pretty much the same thing. You're going to storage pool. When it says storage pool 1 and it says storage, or it says down here volume 1 degraded, that does not mean that the hard drive number 1 is degraded. That's what I thought the first time when I went to go repair mine, because I had number 2 was degraded, and I got the replacement one, put it in, and then I loaded it up and I saw this and I panicked and thought, oh my god, now hard drive number 1 is degraded. But that's not what it means. Volume 1 is pretty much what it's talking about up here, which is where you go to repair the storage pool. So I only have one storage pool, and this whole thing is considered a storage pool. So I don't have 2 of these, I only have 1. So that's why it's saying storage pool. Okay, so don't confuse that with another hard drive, because see right here, that's your drives right there. So if I go to the hard drive section, it shows that all the drives are actually healthy. Okay. So storage pool 1, because I only have 1 storage pool, it is degraded because I have to fix that. I have to, since the new hard drive is officially in here, now I've got to repair the storage pool and bring it back to you know, normal state or whatever, because we had a bad one and now we replaced it. So we just got to do the repair for the whole storage pool. Now here you can see it. It's like on the video, I think it says something else. Mine calls it a Synology NAS. I think the other one calls it, I don't know, something else, but it doesn't matter. It's all the same thing, just different names because we have probably different systems. It says afterward follow the instructions in this article. Don't bother with that because I find that's more confusing. It also says you can simply repair now as well. But the guy in the video said there's also this third option here, which is just click repair, which is what I'm going to do. So we click repair on that. And it says, so I got to choose the drive that was bad and was replaced. So it was drive number 2 that was bad, and I've since replaced it, and now I click on next, and it says apply and name. See, so we have storage pool 1. The action is to repair it. The selected drive is number 2. That's just for the capacity, the repair mode, fast repair. I'm going to click apply. It says all the data newly added drive will be erased. Are you sure you want to continue? Well, it's a brand new drive, so we don't have to worry about anything being erased because it's already nothing on it. So that is totally okay. So I click OK. And yeah, that's pretty much it. As you can see down here, it's stating that it's repairing, initializing. So depending on how much information I have here, the example YouTube video, the guy had, I think it was like 10 terabytes for each drive, and he said I think it took 24 hours for his repair. So that's all normal, that's okay, but mine will definitely take a lot less, so it'll probably be done at some point today. The other thing, the only thing that I did not do when replacing the hard drive on this, which was what was shown in the video, so I'm just kind of like rewinding. When I initially had the bad drive, there is also the option of that he said that you can just disengage, what is the word, just a second. He said to deactivate the drive by going into this section as well. I forget where it is, but I'm not going to go there now because it'll just confuse things. But he said to deactivate the drive, but Renee said I don't necessarily have to deactivate it if the whole Synology pool was completely shut down anyway. So deactivate it, yes, would be good to deactivate it if I was keeping the system on, but the risk with keeping the system on with one of the drives failing is if by fluke a second drive just happened to go at the same time, then I would lose data. So and Renee just recommends shutting down the whole Synology pool altogether. So he said I didn't necessarily have to deactivate the drive. I could have, but the Synology was already shut down, and he just suggested no, just keeping it shut down, and so that's what we did. So there's so that is not necessarily having to be done either. So I think we've got it, and yeah, I think we had success. So Oh, I just noticed up here that it actually states how much time is for the repair. So I got 7 hours and 9 minutes. So down here it says where it was repairing, and then up here